A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, a jury has acquitted 45-year-old Nicola Packer of charges related to an illegal abortion she underwent during the COVID-19 lockdown in November 2020. The Isleworth Crown Court verdict has ignited a renewed debate regarding the current state of abortion laws in the UK, with numerous advocacy groups and political figures calling for urgent reforms. Packer, who was about 26 weeks pregnant at the time, took abortion medication at home, well beyond the legal limit of 10 weeks for home-administered abortions. After taking the medication, she delivered the baby and transported it to Chelsea and Westminster Hospital in a backpack. Prosecutors argued that Packer was aware of her advanced pregnancy, a claim she vehemently denied, expressing her shock and surprise upon discovering she was pregnant. "If I had known I was that far along, I wouldn't have done it," she testified, highlighting the emotional turmoil she faced during this traumatic experience. The jury deliberated for over 6 hours before reaching a unanimous not guilty verdict, leading to an emotional reaction from Packer and her supporters in the courtroom. The case has drawn attention to the restrictive abortion laws in England and Wales, which many argue create an environment of fear and stigma around women's reproductive rights. The Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, RCG, has called the current legislation outdated and harmful, urging for reform to protect women's essential reproductive rights. Dr. Nicola Packer, president of the RCG, emphasized the need for a supportive healthcare environment for women seeking abortions, stating, "Restrictive abortion laws nurture an environment of fear, stigmatization, and criminalization." The trial has prompted calls from various political figures, including Labour MP Tonia Antoniazzi, who criticized the lengthy investigation into Packer's case as cruel and unnecessary. Antoniazzi and fellow Labour MP Stella Creasy are reportedly preparing amendments to decriminalize abortion in England and Wales, aiming to ensure that women are no longer treated as second-class citizens under the law. The British Pregnancy Advisory Service, BPS, echoed these sentiments, arguing that prosecuting women for seeking abortions is not in the public interest. "No woman should ever have to go through this again," stated Katie Saxon, the Chief Strategic Communications Officer at BPS. The government, however, maintains that any changes to abortion laws are a matter of conscience for parliamentarians, asserting that all women have access to safe and legal abortions through the NHS. The case has raised significant awareness about the treatment of women seeking abortions in the UK, with many advocating for a shift towards more compassionate and understanding legislation. As the discussion around reform continues, the outcome of Nicola Packer's trial may serve as a catalyst for change in the legal landscape surrounding reproductive rights in the UK. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.